What's going on, Postcard Marketing Pros? Today we're looking at the San Jose Water Company's postcard. We're going to start on the front as always. It's easier to understand what a postcard does by the space that it utilizes most here on the front. COVID-19 has affected us all. The one thing you never have to worry about is your water. I love this headline. It makes it really clear what the purpose of this postcard is, makes it clear who it's from. There's nothing else on the front of this card. It's really, really good. So I think the only thing that they might have done is really clipped the headline to say, never, like we've got your water quality is covered or something. Let's look at the backside here. For over 150 years, we've served our communities with safe, reliable water. I would remove that, honestly. That just needs to be kind of a bullet here. So, and did you know, I wouldn't make that the big headline here. I might say, because we collect and test over 100 water samples a week. That's the headline, right? I would say water quality tested over 100 times a week, even during the pandemic or something. So people know that nothing has changed. I like, we're keeping your water safe 24 hours a day, 365 days a year. Okay, like why would that have changed? I do like the over 150 years, so I might have made that a little clear and say over 150 years, we've never once had a water pollution event or something. So there's longevity there and some trust. I also really like the fact they give you a bunch of different ways to contact you. If you're having troubles paying your water bill, visit here, go here, call here, email here, follow us on Twitter. That's really key because some people might be more active on Facebook or might want to email. And so giving folks other opportunities is really good. I think I also, if the purpose here was for people that are having trouble paying their bill, I might have made that the headline one. In tough times, we've got your back. And having trouble paying your water bill, ? We've got it. And then really playing up this disaster relief URL, making that a little bit bigger because that's really the key call to action here. Overall, pretty good job. I would like to see a little bit cleaner messaging and a little bit design reorganization of the calls to action, but pretty good job. Thanks so much for educating yourself on postcards. I'll see you next time.